Trevor had always insisted that air mattered, not in the vague audiophile sense of airiness in the treble, but literally the physical molecules present in the room where music was recorded. After exhausting every conceivable upgrade, oxygen-free copper cables, goat-skin turntable mats, soundproofing made from ethically sourced denim, he reached what he called the final frontier of fidelity. By whatever means he could think of, he would obtain a sample of the air of Studio 2 at Abbey Road. During a guided tour of the studio, while the others climbed the stairs to the control room and respectfully admired the mixing board, Trevor lingered behind. Quietly, reverently, he opened a laboratory-grade vacuum flask and captured his sample from the exact spot where John Lennon recorded vocals for Come Together. Back home, Trevor began the real work, modifying his headphones to evacuate the air between the drivers and his eardrums, then refill the chambers with Abbey Road's atmosphere. The trick, unfortunately, was protecting his eardrums from vacuum exposure. His first attempt involved a pair of silicone-sealed in-ear domes. They collapsed instantly, leaving him mildly concussed and questioning his life choices. Later iterations involved dental suction tubes, aquarium pumps, and a brief flirtation with scuba gear. None succeeded. His ears remained exposed only to the regular air of his listening room. Eventually, Trevor admitted defeat. But at least he could still listen to the Beatles in the normal way. He placed his rare UK mono pressing of Sgt. Pepper on the turntable, donned his headphones and settled in. He listened attentively. Side 1, side 2. Nothing unusual. Just the album, the same as he'd heard it 1,000 times before. And then came the locked groove, the strange, endless nonsense loop that closes the record. Trevor had an idea. He leaned forward, broke the seal on the Studio 2 jar and drew in a long, sacred breath. He held it. The gibberish turned rhythmic, then intelligible, meaning flickered just beyond comprehension. He almost understood the final secret of the Beatles, just on the edge of consciousness. And then he became light-headed. The clarity blurred. He forgot what it meant. He passed out cold. The oxygen in his Abbey Road air eventually depleted, and sadly, tragically, Trevor passed away. Fortunately, his turntable had auto-stop.